And guys, we got some bad news. Google Plus is gonna be gone on April 2nd. We have 1 more month and a few more days left until it's gone. When I read this, I thought it was a joke or something. Since mostly April Fool's gonna be on April Fool's gonna be on the 1st. So that's why I got it from the 2nd. But now when I'm still looking at this, it's actually serious stuff. So let me read half of the parts. You have received this email because you have a consider personal Google Plus account or message in a page. In December, we decided to shut down Google Plus accounts in April 2019 due to low and challenges improved and successful points to me. We thank you for part of Google Plus. You are welcome. And proven next step. How to download your phone. So this is the part where I got all my photos back. Yes, I downloaded all my photos back into my phone. Yes, I didn't know. I wrong thing. Button. I got this for today. Yes, I got this yesterday. I did not check on my. I did not know. I didn't even see this until like now. This was oh my god. Google Plus is leaving us. That's what. But it's the Google Plus. So today, I just want to say Google Plus. You mean everything to us, and you put it in the right words. I'm so happy that I joined Google Plus, because if I didn't even know Google Plus was leaving. So I have to say, Google Plus, everyone's gonna be missing you. Google Plus is gonna be missing you a very, very long time. So Google Plus, we're gonna be missing you. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I'll probably be going live later. And yeah, peace out.